Hi everyone, last time we explained the basic principle of fiber optic adapter. Today we are going to introduce several common types of fiber optic adapter to you. First, the connector of LC optical fiber adapter is small square, and it is divided into single mode and multi-mode LC optical fiber adapter according to the type of optical fiber. The connector types are LC-LC, LC-FC, LC-SC, LC-ST, and LC-MU. The LC fiber adapter can be installed on the adapter panel to connect LC fiber optic cables or LC fiber connectors. Second, the connector of the FC optical fiber adapter is circular. Similar to the type of LC optical fiber adapter, there are single mode and multi-mode points, and the connector types are LC, FC, SC, FC, and FC-ST. The optical fiber adapter uses a metal shell and a ceramic sleeve, and it's fastened by turnbuckle. It is stable and reliable and can be used to connect FC fiber optic cables or FC connectors. Third, the SC optical fiber adapter connector is a large square head having a variety of types such as the standard female head to female SC optical fiber adapter and hybrid SC optical fiber adapter. At present, most SC fiber optic adapter use ceramic bush, but it is also possible to see multi-mode SC fiber adapter using bronze bush. The SC fiber adapter's feature is high compressive strength, low insertion loss fluctuation, high installation density, and reliability. It can be used to connect SC fiber optical cables or SC connectors. Fourth, bare fiber adapter is a special fiber optic adapter can connect bare fiber cables to optical devices. These types of adapter allow us the cable to be installed into the connection slot, whether it is inserted into accessories or inserted into electronic devices. Did you get it? See you next time. Bye.